Floveyor invented and engineered the aero-mechanical conveying method in 1958. Over the years, we've continually improved our method to outperform every other powder handling technology. But what sets us apart from all other powder handling solutions? FloDisc, our secret sauce for gentle, rapid and safe materials handling. Floveyor's FloDisc technology uses centrifugal force to suspend raw materials in an air pocket and propel them in an enclosed tube to a collection point. It easily handles granules, flakes, pellets, seeds, beads, nuts, and any small particle you need to transfer efficiently and safely. We've trademarked our technology because what's inside a Floveyor is not the same as other aero-mechanical conveyors. FloDisc is optimised for batch and blend integrity, even at high throughputs. Handle total batch transfers with little residue, regardless of material properties, bulk density, particle size distribution, flow characteristics, or moisture content. FloDisc technology is engineered for 5 industry categories to overcome industrial powder handling challenges with our highly energy efficient conveyors. Only a Floveyor with FloDisc technology can give you a rapid but gentle way to transfer thousands of powders and granules for better powder handling.